Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I'm Faisal Al-Saif. We're fortunate to be here today at the Aramco Dhahran Fire Training Center to witness one of the most promising and innovative mobile connectivity solutions for the 21st century. Developed by Omnispace in partnership with AIRmarket and UAV Systems. We're going to demonstrate how powerful global hybrid real-time connectivity can be. We'll be demonstrating this using a drone that will be controlled all the way from Edmonton, Canada. Yes, that's correct. Controlled from Edmonton, Canada, and yet flown locally here in Dhahran. Follow me, and let's discover what this is all about. Assalamu alaikum, Handasa.
Assalamu. Welcome, Faisal. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. So tell me, what this technology is all about?
It's a very advanced technological solution to what seems like simple request, seamless access to global voice and data connectivity. One that makes reliable communication possible from anywhere in real time, eliminating coverage gaps in unconnected areas around the planet.
Can you show me some of those technologies on the drone?
Yeah, of course. Come with me.
All right.
Here we have a GPS satellite antenna. Also, we have omnidirectional satellite antenna.
And this must be the cellular connected companion computer.
Yeah, that's right. Today, we'll first demonstrate how it's possible to start communicating with the cellular network, and as the drone flies away, it will switch to satellite connectivity. We will then manage to do the opposite as a second trial by switching from satellite to cellular network, and we will establish the third connection, maintaining hyper-connectivity through satellite and cellular. Omnispace is pushing the limits of what's possible, and we are demonstrating how satellite communication technology can augment mobile telecoms network and enable ubiquitous mobile voice and data communications in real time around the globe. Follow me. Let's join our partners and start the trials.
All right.
Let me introduce you to our pilot based in Edmonton. He will be the one controlling the demo drone in real time.
Hi. What if the satellite connection gets interrupted?
No problem. Our local safety pilot here in Dhahran can take control of hexacopter in case of need or any emergency.
All right.
Okay, guys, ready to start trial number 1.
It's the moment of truth.
Look, we are communicating to the hexacopter using cellular connectivity. Okay, now let's switch to controlling the drone using the satellite connectivity.
Here we are. It works.
Okay, Faisal. As the first trial worked, let's now establish a connection with the satellite and start the second trial. There we go. We are connected.
We are connected with no interruption.
Now, the final trial, combining satellite and cellular connectivity. It's a complete success. We are connected. This is a huge accomplishment by all. We are demonstrating that it is possible to unite the simplicity of mobile telecom, roaming with the scope of satellites, to create one seamless connected experience.
Indeed. What an amazing result. We just showed that continuous connectivity for mobile assets is possible around the globe. Now imagine what we can do with the 5G non-terrestrial network and how that will empower enterprises and IoT users with access to seamless data and connectivity worldwide.
Thanks a lot, Faisal. CITC would like also to thank our partners, Aramco, Omnispace, AIRmarket, and UAV Systems, the drone provider, for making this happen. Now, thanks to this brand new technology, the entire world can remain connected from the sky.